Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Students, today we will discuss about the formal charge. In chemistry, formal charge is a charge assigned to an atom in a molecule. We assume that the electrons are equally shared between the atoms, regardless to their electronegativity. So there is one formula by which we can calculate the formal charge. So the formula we can see formal charge is equal to V minus in bracket B by 2 plus N bracket close. So actually if we see what is V? V is valence electrons. Number of valence electrons in a neutral atom. Second, capital B. B is number of bonding electron. You know, if there is a single bond, so there will be 2 bonding electrons. If there is double bond, there will be 4 bonding electrons. So V is total number of bonding electrons. Now next, capital N. N is number of lone pair electrons. So if there is one lone pair, it means there will be 2 electrons. If there are 2 lone pairs, there will be 4 electrons. If there are 3 lone pairs, there will be 6 electrons. So by this formula we can find out the formal charge of an atom in a molecule. So we take one simple example of ozone molecule. I have drawn the structure of ozone molecule. You know the molecular formula is O3. So you can see there. So I just we have 3 atoms here. So that is first atom. Suppose it is second and third. So we are calculating the formal charge of first atom. So for first atom, if you see the structure, you know oxygen, it belongs to 6th A group or 16th group. So there will be 6 valence electron in neutral atom of oxygen. So when we just use this formula, so we can see Fc is equal to V minus in bracket B by 2 plus N. So actually here the value of V is what? It is 6 because there are 6 valence electron. Next minus. Now next B, that is the number of bonding electrons. So you can see if we take this oxygen atom, so it is bonded to other oxygen atom by single bond. So there will be 2 bonding electron. So the value of B is what? 2 because there are 2 bonding electron. So when you keep this value into formula, so that is what? 2 by 2. Now next plus number of lone pair electrons. So if you count, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 lone pair electrons. It means the electrons which have not been participated in chemical bond formation. So there is 6. The value of the N is 6. So you can solve this one. Fc is equal to 6 minus in bracket 2 by 2 plus 6. So it will be equal to what? 6 minus, that is 1 plus 6. So that is 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. So the formal charge of this first oxygen atom is minus 1. Now suppose we take the second oxygen atom. No, so for second oxygen atom, if you see the value of the V, that is same 6 minus. Now next B, bonding electrons. So you will see there are 3 bonds around this atom. You can see 1, 2 and 3. So there will be 6 electrons. So when we keep this value 6 divided by 2. Now next plus. Now you count the lone pair electron. There are 2 lone pair electrons. So that is what? 2. So when we solve this one, 6 minus, that is 3 plus 2. So that is 6 minus 5. So it is plus 1. So the formal charge of second atom is what? That is plus 1. Now we can calculate the formal charge of third atom. So for third atom, we can solve. Now value of V, that is same 6 minus. Now next value of B, number of bonding electrons. So you just count the number of bonds. There is double bond, 2 bonds. So there will be 4 electrons. So that is 4 by 2. Now plus number of lone pair electrons. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electrons are there. So plus 4. So when we solve this one, so that is 6 minus 2 plus 4. That is 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So the formal charge of this third oxygen atom is what? 0. So this topic is finished. We will continue the next topic in next period. Thank you.